Hey guys, hope you're all having a good day. Today we're going to be taking a look at three things inside Gazingo. So the first is searching for claims. Number two is creating tasks. And number three would be downloading documents. Right, so let's head over to the search box on the top left corner. We're going to go ahead and search for one of my test claims here. Then we'll select on manage on the right hand side of that. Alright, if you could see here on the left hand side, we'd click on the actual progress it's currently at. So click on pending. We'll schedule to do. And we'll select the date and time. So let's set this at Wednesday at 6:30. And then we could toggle an end date. So this is a due time for the specific activity. So what we're doing here is we're selecting or creating a range for that specific task. All right, so we'll create notify before, and this is going to notify the franchisee. Right, and then we'll go ahead and enter the name of the task or note that we want to add here. Once we've done that, we'll go ahead and select schedule activity. And you can see on the right hand side, on the timeline, you can see that this has been scheduled by me at so and so time. Then now, once the franchisee sees this, they could click on complete it, and that task would show up as completed inside the timeline. Next, we're going to be taking a look at how we could pull documents from Gazingo. So let's go into the documents. So you can see here, you see the layout of all the different files that we have. And the files could have multiple documents inside of them. So let's say the signed document, you have 3 different documents. If we want to go ahead and download, we'll click on this blue icon here. So what that does is it creates a PDF document. Let's go ahead and open that up. All right, so we could see we could download this document now, or we've already downloaded this document, right? We have it stored in our computer now. So now let's look at a media file. Here you could see the media have all these different folders inside media. I could download each individual folder. I could download all the folders, right? You could see here each individual picture, right? So from here, what we're going to do is we're going to create a new media report. And this is going to allow us to convert all these pictures into a PDF format. So it's going to shrink the size of all these pictures. I could go ahead and download this. And then from here, once we've downloaded it, we could go ahead and send it as an email or save it in our computer. Right, as you can see, it turned into PDF format. We have a contact sheet of all these pictures. All right. Let's go back into Gazingo here. So the next and final thing we're going to be taking a look at is how to search for claims inside Gazingo. So to search for a claim, we could search on the search box on the top left corner. So let's say I want to search for this claim called Ali, right? So I could search for it by name by typing in the name. I could also search for it by branch. So if I wanted to add the branch for this, which is San Diego or San Francisco, I think, right? Right, it also show up under branch. I could also search for additional information on the name, such as this number we have here, 4522. You could see that this is the claim that showed up. And if we look into a different view, we could pull from the base of the claim the information such as the address. So let's switch to view. You can see here we have the address. So if I search for this lead, if I'm not in this actual view, I could search for the lead by address, and this lead will also show up. All right. Okay, well, that's all for today, and thank you for watching.